Bunch of balloons for boundless family fun. Fill them up in record time. Snap off and here we go. Stamp along for a stomping time. Who's ready to blast that wall clean? Grab as many as you can hold. Ready, aim, and fire! Now that's what I call bouncing off the walls. Keep going, kids. We've got plenty more bunch of balloons. Water balloons and games equal kids' favorite fun. This game's called Match It and Splat It. Fun and education in one. Find the letter and blast. Bunch of Balloons does all the work in entertaining kids throughout the summer. 1 minute, because these self-sealing bunch of balloons are ready in no time. The next game, scoop and drop in the right color. Can you do it without popping them? Yeah, nailed it! Whoops, check the color, buddy. Huh? Where's this off to? We've got plenty of water, but what about this drooping plant? No problem. Bunch of balloons will save the day and the plant. There's no end to hacks with these awesome water balloons. Time for a break. Use waterproof sunscreen. Then you can blast bunch of balloons for longer. Try this instead. An amazing hack. Soft on the face too. All covered. What a game changer. Talking of games, check this one out. Shade, splash, and smash. With bunch of balloons, no more wasting time and effort individually filling each water balloon. Hoping that when you tie them, they don't splurt in your face. These amazing balloons self-seal in no time, meaning you've got more time and energy to join in the fun. Okay, who's ready for the balloon on the spoon slalom race? Now for the bed and blast! Fill a fruit net with bunch of balloons. This game is a great twist for a party piñata. Strap in a noose and hang him up high. Let's go! Whack until they splat! There's a bunch of ideas you can do with bunch of balloons. Family fun in the sun for everyone!